Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. Today we are going to learn how to prepare turmeric fried rice. Let's go straight to the ingredients. So we have our minced meat, margarine, salt, rice, 2 cups of rice, French beans, carrots, red bell pepper, broccoli, cauliflower, pepper, onion, bay leaf, and the main ingredient itself, the turmeric powder. Okay, so now that we are done with the ingredients, let's go straight by cooking our rice. So we need a small portion of the margarine to cook it. Have to add our bay leaves and the turmeric powder. So from there you add your rice to it. And make sure you stir everything together. But do you know you can actually take the turmeric powder without using it for cooking as a tea in the morning? You just boil your water and you add maybe 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of it, then you drink. It helps detoxify the body and it also gives you energy to work. So let's add salt to taste. Then we add water to it. Make sure you stir everything together and taste if the salt is okay. Yes, our salt is okay. So you cook it for 10 minutes. Now that our rice is on fire, let's go straight ahead and chop our vegetables. We are going to chop it. With the bell pepper, we are going to add only half of it. So now everything is well chopped. Now we're going to check on the rice and see if it's making progress. You're checking on the rice to see if it's making progress. Okay. You can actually feel the smell of the margarine and the turmeric. We are checking on our rice finally to see if it's okay. Oh wow, trust me, it's very much okay. So you take it from the fire, then we begin the next stage. So this is our minced meat. You're going to add it. Let's add a pinch of our local spices to it to give it a nice taste and smell. Pinch of salt, and some of our chopped onions, little water, and you stir everything together. So you cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. Transfer our minced meat into a bowl and start the next step. That is, we are going to fry the other vegetables before we add the minced meat and the rice. So we put our minced meat aside. There, we start our next process. So with our next process, we will add butter. We use butter for the rice, so you don't need much. Small portion of it will do. Then I'll add my onions to it. Stir it for 2 minutes. Then the other vegetables will go in. But before that, let's add our pepper, chopped pepper. So the other vegetables will go in now. This is my own recipe. Trust me, it tastes very nice. Very, very nice. You don't have to overcook your vegetables because you can eat it raw without cooking or putting it on fire. So you put everything in and you stir for 2 minutes before you add your minced meat to it. So you stir everything together, then you cover it. Isn't it colorful? It's colorful, right? Yes. So you can choose any vegetable of your choice, then use it for your turmeric fried rice. So I'll cover it now and leave it for 2 minutes. Our minced meat going in now. Keep stirring. To be honest, even before adding the rice, you can take it like that with your rice, plain rice or jollof. You can even add it to your breakfast as a side salad or something, anyhow you want to take it. But we are using ours for fried rice, turmeric fried rice. So we cover it again before we add our rice. Okay, so let's add a pinch of our local spices to it. Stir. Then after we add our rice, trust me, the smell that is coming out from this vegetables is so great. Very great. Trust me. My oh my. So be adding our rice bit by bit. You add, then you stir everything together. This is my own recipe. My own recipe. It tastes nice and it smells good because of our natural spices. So with the natural spices, you can just do some at home and keep it and use it anytime you want to prepare anything. You can use it for your soup, your stew, your fried rice, your jollof rice, anything that you think you need spices. You can use the local spice for our. So you can see that our fried rice is ready. It's not only colorful, but the smell that is coming out of it is very great. And trust me, no one is here to taste. I'll do the tasting myself and I'll give you the results. Maybe next time I'll invite you to my kitchen. So thank you so much for watching. I'll urge you to subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload any new video. And please don't forget to share. Thank you so much for staying with me. Bye bye.